Hey everyone! Welcome back to FixMyPhone Labs. If your iPhone 16 Pro speaker suddenly sounds distorted, muffled, buzzing, or weak after coming into contact with water, don't worry. This is one of the most common issues I see, and the good news is that in most cases, it's completely fixable without opening the phone or visiting a repair shop. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the real fix that actually works in 2025, step by step, in a simple, safe, and effective way, so you can get your clear and loud speaker sound back in just a few minutes. First, let's quickly explain what's happening. When water gets into the speaker grill, even a tiny amount, it interferes with the airflow that the speaker needs to vibrate properly. This can make the sound crackly, low, or buzzing. The iPhone 16 Pro is water-resistant, but water can still get trapped behind the speaker mesh, and until it's pushed out, the sound won't return to normal. Fortunately, we can force that water out using a specific sound frequency. And this takes us to the fastest fix. Since Apple still doesn't include a built-in water eject feature on the iPhone 16 Pro, I created an easy and free solution for you. On your iPhone, just open your browser and go to ejecttool.com. There's no app to install. Once you're on the page, tap Start Cleaning. The tool plays a special 165 Hz frequency that pushes water out of the speaker. Let it run for about 20 to 30 seconds. During this time, you may actually hear the tone change or see tiny droplets coming out of the speaker grill. That's completely normal and exactly what we want. After the cleaning cycle finishes, wipe the speaker area with a cloth and test your sound by playing music or a video at around 50% volume. If the sound is clearer but still not perfect, run the tool again. Many phones need 2 or 3 cycles depending on how much water is trapped inside. Don't skip this part. Repetition often makes the difference. Now, if your phone was heavily exposed to water, like rain, steam, shower humidity, pool water, or accidental splashes, there may be moisture deeper inside the mesh. In that case, turn off the phone, place it upright with the speaker facing downward, and leave it in a dry room for about 30 minutes. Avoid direct heat sources like hair dryers, heaters, or hot air because those can damage the adhesives, the display, and the internal seals. Natural drying combined with the water eject frequency works far better than heat. At this point, most iPhone 16 Pro speakers return to full clarity. But let me explain when you should be concerned. If the speaker still sounds distorted after 24 hours, there might be debris inside the grill, or in rare cases, the speaker membrane could be damaged from impact while wet. This doesn't happen often, but it's something to keep in mind. Still, 9 out of 10 times, the distortion you're hearing right now is just trapped water, and the frequency method fixes it almost immediately. Before you finish, do one more final sound test. Play a video, a ringtone, or a high-pitched sound and listen carefully. If the audio sounds clear, loud, and free from buzzing or vibration, then your speaker is officially back to normal. If not, repeat the cleaning tool once more. It's completely safe to use multiple times. Thank you so much for watching. If this guide helped you fix your iPhone 16 Pro, make sure to like the video and subscribe to FixMyPhone Labs for more real, practical, and fast phone fixes. And remember, you can always use the speaker cleaning tool anytime at ejecttool.com. Bookmark it for future emergencies. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.